Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by entering credentials and pointing to your audio sources. First, authenticate with the server using the API key or account login so requests will be accepted. Once connected, select the audio files you want to share and confirm formats and sample rates. Mismatched rates cause glitches. Make sure input paths are accessible from your machine or network drive. While you verify credentials, open a terminal or client tool so you can run the initial upload or stream command immediately. Next, you configure how audio moves to the server, upload or live stream. You set codec and bitrate to balance quality and bandwidth, and pick chunk size or buffer to avoid dropouts. Once done, attach metadata tags so receivers show titles and timestamps correctly. Then run a short test clip of 10 to 15 seconds to confirm playback and latency. If the test fails, reduce bitrate and increase buffer, then retry. After a successful test, start the full transfer or open the live session. To finish, validate the transfer by checking checksums or file sizes so you know nothing corrupted in transit. Then verify clients can access and play the audio. Watch server logs for connection errors or rejected requests. If everything looks good, set up a simple recurring check or alert for future transfers. If playback fails, enable verbose logs, retry failed chunks, and check firewall or reverse proxy settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if streams stall, increase buffer size.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.